Hello everybody and welcome back to another technical FX setup video edition. My name is still Damir from good old Germany. On Monday the 9/16/2013 and it's 23:53 Central European time, even 7 minutes before Monday here in good old Europe. And Forex week opened since 53 minutes, and I want to give you even a new technical FX setup into this week start. Here we go with the New Zealand dollar, Japanese yen. I want to give you a shortly outlook for the New Zealand dollar. Today I will upload Wall Street session also on central bank news update, and in this I will focus myself into this week about the New Zealand dollar, because the New Zealand dollar is looking pretty interesting, maybe before a technical rebound or an outbreak, and after the news of the RBNC that maybe next year the Reserve Bank of New Zealand will maybe raise up higher interest rates. However, let's come back here to the New Zealand dollar yen. By the way, I preferred euro, New Zealand dollar, go short, even sell a euro, or net note, sell euro, even much more buy New Zealand dollar against the euro. And in this case, New Zealand dollar, Japanese yen, I would proudly take the counterpart, even sell New Zealand dollar against the Japanese yen. Okay, and here are the reasons why. From technical point of view, we saw here since Wednesday, here the sideways trend, if you want. And the much more interesting point is this stuff. Look at this, guys. Yes, here we've got the sideways trend since Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So, and we saw here on Thursday something like an outbreak, while the decision came out, sideways trend. So no impact from the maybe higher rates. So in this cross rate, and here we've got even 2, 3, 4 times the try to break out. So all in all, we are right here right now also trading at 80.13, and I would here even between this line 80.8 right here right now we are trading exact here dancing at the yellow sideways trend, if you want, 80.8 and 81.35, so 23 pips here in this area. Here I would probably go short, or even in the yellow box, even to break on the downside, and the targets are even 80.57 here. The downside of this sideways trend is 80.61. So here we are here in the 45 pips sideways range, if you want, since 3-4 days. And I would probably prefer the short side in New Zealand dollar yen, even sell New Zealand dollar against the yen, and on another side, in my German edition, I would buy New Zealand dollar against the euro. So we would be with this both trading capabilities even tied into week start in the New Zealand dollar. Okay, that's all for today. All in all, the target should be even here the breakout, about here the 10 pips or 5 pips under 80.61, even 80.56. Then the target here 80.49, and then we have enough space to the downside. Even break maybe the weekly moving average also. Okay guys, that's all for today. Thanks spending your time watching my video. Talking to you by Wall Street session with new tweets and new video. So have a great morning, day or night, wherever, whenever you're watching my technical FX setups. Bye bye guys.